Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Not RV. On this week's episode, we're going to be installing the Kohree, K-O-H-R-E-E, smart constant pressure water pump for the RV. Let's activity. So like you have power to this thing basically all the time, and then right in the app you can turn the pump on and off. You can reset it if there's ever a fault. It has a leakage detector built into it. It has adjustable settings of 1, 2, and 3, which is like basically 25, 27.5, and 30 psi roughly. And it also shows you like the flow rate, the amp draw, a couple little things. So it's a great little app system that you can have for the RV water pump. Install of an RV water pump is super simple. It's literally just 2 wires, positive and negative, and then an inlet and an outlet, super quick and easy. All right, so this is the pump that we're installing. It's by Kohree. I bought it off of Amazon. It's a 4-chamber diaphragm pump. This is the smaller version. I can't remember the exact off the top of my head right now, 5.5 gallon versus there's one that does like 7 gallon. Obviously, I'm just in a small 30-foot Airstream. So the 5-gallon version is all I need. Looks like it comes with everything that you need. Like I said, 5.5 gallons is the one that I got. But all I'm doing is we're just doing our 12 volt, our in and our out. I don't need to replace my filter or anything like that. This did come with some extra filters and whatnot, so I'm gonna keep some of these extra parts, but I'm not gonna be using any of this stuff because my connections both have rubber gaskets, so it's easy. We're just gonna take the old one out, replace this one in. It's a very quick, direct replacement. Let's get to it. Pump I already have in here is very easy access for me. It's just right behind one of my closet doors. Depending on your RV, you just gotta locate it. But I'm literally just gonna disconnect the electrical here. I already have the power turned off to it. I'm gonna disconnect 1 and 2. These just have little wing nuts on them, so they just spin right off. So it's very easy. I'm gonna go ahead and uninstall this. Okay, so I disconnected my electrical. I just tucked it up out here. Disconnected my outlet, my inlet, and I got a paper towel here just to catch some excess water that was inside the pump. Now I just got 4 screws to remove. This comes right out, new one goes right in. Okay, now the old one's out. We're just gonna take the new one, literally place it right on the same footprint as the last one. I'm gonna screw it down into place, connect my inlet and outlet, my positive and my negative, and call it a day. Okay, and just like that, I got my inlet, my outlet, negative, positive. We're all good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the switch on and start the priming system. I am super impressed with the operation and the noise level of this pump. So right now I have no noise baffling, I have no insulation, the doors are open. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my shower real quick. I'm not sure if you can even hear the pump running. I mean, it's very quiet. Of course I can hear it. I'm not sure how much that is picking up on video, but it is ultra quiet. Now I went ahead and opened up my kitchen sink, my bathroom sink, and the shower right now. So all 3 are running. This is the noise of the pump. It's, again, this is wide open. This is quieter than any other pump I've ever heard in my life. So you all should know a couple things. Number one, I paid for this just with my own money, right on Amazon. I did a little research on their regular website, just ordered through Amazon for ease. But I'm dead serious. I've never heard an RV pump this quiet. I've been looking for a pump like this for years because I used to be really big into saltwater fish tanks, and they have DC driven pumps that actually ramp up and down based on percentages, whereas every other RV water pump just it's on or it's off. This thing actually ramps up. One faucet is open, the noise level is real low, you can't even hear the thing. You open up 2 or maybe 3 faucets, it ramps up, you can hear it speed up to maintain the 30 psi that it's set to inside. And I mean, even at full blast, it is whisper quiet, and there's no hard clunk on and hard clunk off that you hear in a regular RV water pump. I love this thing. I'm going to recommend this to everybody. So far, of course, I just installed it, but I will do a follow-up video as we are using it in real time and stuff like that.